Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. I'm Aeronautical Department Level 1. I'm from AIPI Makassar. Today I'm gonna make scrambled egg with tomato. Ingredients: we need 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tomatoes, 2 eggs, some ketchup sauce, some oil, some salt, and some pepper. First, we need to mince and slice up the garlic like this, and we're gonna slice the tomato too. Slice up the tomato and dice and make a dice like this. Then crack the eggs and add some salt to it. Just like this, and we're gonna stir up the eggs. Just like this. Light up the stove and heat up the pan. Add some oil to the pan, don't too much, a little bit. After the pan hot enough, and we're gonna put the garlic to the pan and we're gonna stir up. Stir up the garlic until the fragrance is out. If the fragrance from the garlic is out, now we're gonna pour some our eggs to the pan and we're gonna scramble it. After that, we put some tomato to the pan and we're gonna cook it a few minutes. Next, we're gonna add some water to the pan to make it the tomato is to soft, to make it soft, the tomato. Next, after we boil up the oil and make the tomato to be soft, and we're gonna add some 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And don't forget, we're gonna seasoning it with salt. Add a pinch of salt, a little more. Add some sugar. And we add some white pepper. Finally, our scrambled egg with tomato is done, and we're gonna put it to the plate. And our scrambled egg with tomato is done. Let's have to taste it. That's how to make the scrambled egg with tomato.